Hello, thanks for joining Nikki and me for another weekly round of news and updates from across the Atlassian ecosystem. We're your hosts and the makers of apps for Jira like Swanley, Foxley, and Hedge. Our portfolio of apps help you and your team better plan and deliver work with easy to use, time-saving, and delightful features, making work management effortless and fun. Find out more at Jexo.io. Right, so we're going to start this week with some updates from us about PM72 Summit. If you've not heard about the event yet, this is a marathon of amazing project management content from over 50 speakers that we're going to work with. In June, we will be streaming all of these speaking sessions for 72 hours straight and raise money for Malala Fund charity. So speaking of speaking sessions, we just published the first part of the event agenda with the bulk of the speaking sessions. This includes the schedule over 13th and 14th of June, with the rest coming soon. Most of the 15th and 16th will be replays of the sessions at different hours, so you can watch any session you like no matter where you are. And to make sure you get reminded when your favorite talks are happening on the YouTube stream, we have available an Add to Calendar button. This is available for each session, enabling you to quickly add the reminders to your Google, Apple, Microsoft, or other calendars. It's going to be a brilliant event that you don't want to miss, so hop onto PM72 website and explore the agenda.
PM72 is going to be an exciting event. I can't wait for that. Well, let's have a look on the next news. It's actually an article for everyone who is starting in the Atlassian marketplace and is wondering how to get more traction. One of the quickest wins that bring more customers is to optimize your marketplace listing. So instead of just listing the app without the proper information, make sure to include demo video, app screenshots, and identify 3 main problems your app solves that you can then use to create a marketplace listing. So if you're wondering on what you could improve, give this a read.
Yeah, it's a really good read. I would also recommend, I'll do a plug here. I made a video not long ago on the Startup Corner explaining how to get into ecosystems like Atlassian Marketplace and a few tricks and things to get you started. So might want to watch that as well. We'll link that as well. Right, so 2 weeks ago, Rodney, known as the Jira guy, published an article vocalizing his concerns about the future of data center products, given Atlassian's absolute focus to cloud, which was also evident at Team 22, where all of the main keynotes and sessions were about cloud offering. I found Rodney's concerns really valid, so decided to post a poll on LinkedIn, which got quite a bit of responses and discussion going, including a more formal reply from Cameron Deach, Chief Revenue Officer at Atlassian. Well, after all of that commotion, last week Atlassian posted an official response to folks' concerns about DC's future. And I'll let you go read the whole thing as well as the comment section, because it is an interesting read for sure. But here's the quick scoop. There are no plans to discontinue data center products. They will continue to exist. There will not be a focus on feature parity with the cloud, but focus on the main asks from DC customers, which are reliability, performance, and security. So yeah, go ahead and read the full thing and figure out what this means to you, and leave us a comment with your thoughts.
And next, let's talk about issue linking in Jira. If you would like to get a bit more technical understanding of how Jira linking works, this post is a great place to go, explaining the data model, APIs, and relationships. So whether you're building apps, automations, or just want to understand Jira a little bit better, have a look.
Yeah, I find that really interesting, and I think they should publish on this developer blog a lot more of these. How does it actually work? More technical articles and blogs like this. So yeah, we actually shared it with our team as well. Right, let's go through the weekly Atlassian events and see what's interesting. Atlassian organized events. We got creating OKRs that drive desired outcomes on Wednesday. OKRs are always a good topic to learn about, so grab your ticket. As for partner organized, we start the week tomorrow with a talk from Adaptavist about ITSM best practices and solutions. On Wednesday, there's an interesting event called App Talks, hosted by K15T, Decadis, Binary, and Yasun, presenting optimal content management in Confluence. Moving on to ACE events, tomorrow you can attend the first in-person event in Quebec community. Thursday, there are 4 events. For example, in Rotterdam, Appfire will discuss service management for all. And in New York, after a Team 22 recap, Brittany Joyner will show you how you can use Trello for enterprise. Our Goosely page has the bulk of events happening gathered from across multiple platforms, so do have a look at what's going on this week and register for the events that you're most interested in.
So many events again happening this week. That's really good. Well, everyone's going to find something they're interested in, I guess. And now to the article of the week, this time from the Atlassian design blog talking about prioritization. We all know and often focus on finding and delivering low-hanging fruit, which are the high-impact tasks that are deliverable with the lowest effort. Well, in this article, you will learn about high-hanging fruit, which are the high-impact tasks achievable with higher effort, and why you should care about these, their strategic value, and why they might often be underrated. So go and give it a read.
Yeah, I think we tend to focus a lot on low-hanging fruits, so this is a good read for you to learn about everything else that you should be prioritizing on.
Well, yeah, absolutely. And that's about it for the news about Atlassian. I hope you enjoyed Monday Coffee with Jexo, whether you're watching us live or recorded later. Just a reminder, links for all the topics we discussed today are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Have a great week.
See you next Monday. Bye-bye.